Magnus, what have you been eating? Did you eat cherries? Let's see your hand. Show Mommy your hand. You have a purple hand. You have purple hands. Did you? Look at your hands. They're purple. Magnus likes cherries. Magnus likes cherries. Let me see your teeth. Hey, let me see those teeth. Show us your teeth. Oh, you have 7 teeth in there. Look at your purple hands. You have purple hands.